Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But motherfucker, your standards might have nappy, bitch, I love it.
I'm back. Your girl is back. What's up, y'all? So today's video is in collaboration with Supernova Hair. I've already went ahead and set my own hair, slicked it back as best as I could, and did my edges. And now I'm on some
Ho shit, bald head ho shit. Yeah, bitch, bald head ho shit.
all right. So the hair came packaged nicely in this box, and I've already went ahead and shampooed it, conditioned it. This is a curly headband wig. It is 180% density and 22 inches long. And as you can see, the curls are beautiful. It does come with clip-ins so that you can secure the wig to your head. There's 3 at the top, and then on like the nape of the wig, there's 2 more. And then of course there is the attached adjustable headband, which you can adjust it to fit your head to be looser or tighter. Headband wigs are one of the easiest wig installs for lazy days, those that like to work out, as well as those that are beginners to wigs. You literally just put it on your head, clip it down for security, and I always like to make sure I get it in the exact spot that I want to be. You might want to pull it forward some or pull it back. Get it right in the right spot and clip it in. Once I have it to my liking, I go ahead, clip the back in as well. Then I go ahead and secure the adjustable headband. I'm already almost good to go. This hair is beautiful. Look at the curls, y'all. I'm really feeling this headband wig. So I went in with some water on this wig to just flatten out the top of it. It was kind of a little lumpy, so I just wanted to flatten it out and make everything look more natural and uniform. It basically helps to mold it to the shape of my head. And because this is a headband wig, of course we need a variety of headbands. So I have a couple here that I want to share with you guys. First one here is a black headband with floral print on it. Real cute, real simple and cash. This next one gives me a tribal print type of vibe. This next one is a little thinner and it's like a leopard print. Now this one I love. It's definitely my favorite. It's a scarf. And you know, you can tie this around your hair in a couple different ways. And lastly, we got the chunky diamond out rhinestone headband. So this headband wig can be worn in many different styles. You can do updos, ponytails, anything. Like I said, it's perfect for those lazy days. You can be glam in like 5 minutes. And as y'all can see, your girl was feeling herself. It's the me for me. Make sure I check out the description box below for the link to this particular wig. I think this one might be my favorite headband wig so far. These curls are literally perfect, and I don't know if I said it already, but the wig is really soft too. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And yeah, make sure y'all check that description box out like I said. With all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.
I show love to the people that's gon' show love to me. I'm a product of my city, I got buzz in my streets. Ain't my youngin' out here.